Calculate button in SmartPLS. Hello, welcome back to the channel. So you finally finished drawing your model in SmartPLS. You've got your blue circles and your yellow boxes all lined up and you're feeling pretty good. But then you go to hit that calculate button and wait a second, 4 different options pop up. If you're staring at the screen wondering which one to click without breaking your stats, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. It can feel a bit like choosing the right door in a game show, but the secret actually lies in those arrows you just drew. First, let's talk about the standard duo. Think of the standard PLS-SEM algorithm as your bread and butter. This is the classic way of doing things, and it's great for getting your initial results, like your R-squared values or seeing how strong the connections are between your variables. But here is the catch. Have you ever noticed it doesn't give you those all-important p-values? That's where its partner, bootstrapping, comes into play. Think of bootstrapping as the stress test for your data. It takes your sample and shakes it up thousands of times to see if your results actually hold water, or if they were just a lucky fluke. If you want to prove your hypotheses are significant, bootstrapping is your best friend. But then you see those consistent options and wonder, wait, does that mean the other ones are inconsistent? Well, not exactly. In the world of stats, the standard way can sometimes be a little bit biased. It might overinflate some numbers while shrinking others. So, the consistent PLS-SEM algorithm was designed as a sort of correction tool. It's like putting on a pair of glasses that makes everything a bit sharper and more accurate. But here's the big question. Do you actually need it? You only want to use these consistent versions if your model is what we call reflective. Just take a look at your screen right now. Are your arrows pointing away from the blue circles and toward the yellow boxes? If they are, like the ones I have here, then you are in the reflective zone. So, what is your game plan for today? If your model looks like mine, you'll want to start by running the consistent PLS-SEM algorithm first. Use this stage to make sure your data is actually reliable and valid, basically checking if your questions are doing their job. Once you're happy with that, it's time for the moment of truth. Switch over and run the consistent PLS-SEM bootstrapping. This is the final step that tells you if your horizontal arrows, your actual hypotheses, are statistically supported. It's the difference between saying, I think there's a relationship here, and the data proves it. Does that make those 4 buttons feel a little less intimidating? I hope this clears up the confusion so you can get back to your analysis with confidence. Thank you, and give a thumb up if this was useful. Thanks for watching!